Hello friends, in this short video we are going to discuss about outline of classification of chordata. In previous slides I explained the basic difference between chordate and non-chordates. In that case we have seen a four major unique characters which are separate the animals into a chordate and non-chordate. That's character in front of you. I briefly explained some points. Notochord present at some stage of life. In every chordate, notochord is always present. Notochord is a Greek word. Noton means back, chorde means chord. So notochord is a present. And this notochord we can say act as an endoskeleton, and it's originated from endodermal root of embryonic archenteron. These are present in in every vertebrates. Generally, these are replaced into vertebral columns in higher vertebrates. As well as nerve cord is also present. Nerve cord is a different and notochord is also a different. Nerve cord originated from the ectoderm and their function for the coordination. Second point is that third point is that pharyngeal gill slit are present at some stage of life. In every chordate, pharyngeal gill slit is a present. These are the another unique characteristics present in a chordata, pharyngeal gill slit. They are also known as branchial or pharyngeal cleft. Third one, heart present at the ventral sides. In a chordate, heart present at the ventral side. I repeat again, notochord present at some stage of life. Second point, nerve cord, single, double, and hollow. Pharyngeal gill slits are present at some stage of life. And fourth one, heart present at ventral position. Those animals which are showing such a characteristics belongs into the group chordata. Then general characters. In a general character, cephalization means aggregation of nerve in a head. We can say a brain is a well developed in a chordata. As well as in a chordata, generally chordata is a bilateral symmetrical. Means the right side is a mirror image to the left side. Every chordate is a triploblastic. Means their body made by three germ layer, ectoderm, endoderm, and mesoderms. Then coelom. In a chordate, coelom is true coelom generally present. Circulatory system. In a chordata, circulatory system is a closed type, means blood carried through a blood vessels. These are the basic characteristics found in a chordata. As well as in a blood, respiratory pigments, generally hemoglobin is also present. In a chordata, regeneration power is a very poor. In other side, non-chordata, regeneration power is a high. Best example, starfish. They can regenerate their lost parts. In a chordata, respirations through the lungs. Lungs is a well developed in a chordata. As well as this chordata is a cold-blooded and some is a warm-blooded also. Then in a chordata, post-anal tail usually present. In every chordata, post-anal tail usually present. As well as gut present at the ventral side to the nerve cord. Then next character in a chordata, skeleton is an endoskeleton. Generally, skeleton provides support and framework to our body. So skeleton having a two types, exoskeleton and endoskeleton. So in a higher vertebrates, endoskeleton is present, and this skeleton is made by a bone as well as in a cartilage, cartilaginous material. Then after that, reproductions. Reproduction generally in a chordata, sexual types, and generally chordata is a dioecious. Sexes are totally separate. These are the basic and general characteristics of chordata. After that, in these slides, we are going to discuss outline of classification of chordata. So these are very important how this chordate classify. So see this tree diagram. In this diagram, two division is there. Chordata phylum divided into a two division. Protochordata as well as another one is a craniata. Both in front of you. So in this case, when you see protochordata, acraniata, in bracket mention acraniata. So acraniata, as well as in a vertebrata mention acraniata. So acraniata, that indicates head is absent. We can say skull or uh, brain is not well developed or absent. In a craniata, a true head or brain A skull is a present. Cranium is a well developed. Okay. In a craniata, brain enclosed in a skull. I repeat again, in a craniata, in a vertebrata, brain enclosed in a cranium or a skull. That is called as craniata. So protochordata showing another characters of a craniata. First character, no brain, no head, small in size, vertebral column absent. Vertebral column absent. Then these acraniata having divides into two parts, urochordata and cephalochordata. Urochordata, best example is a herd mania. These are the marine animals. Short animals, thick bodied, notochord present at larval stage. So belongs into the uh, group Acraniata. Second one is a Cephalochordata. Cephalochordata, best example is the Amphioxus. It is a eel-like fish, elongated, as well as notochord and nerve cord along with entire body. Pharyngeal gill slit is a numerous. These are the characteristics of Amphioxus. Then see the vertebrata craniata. In a craniata, divide into two parts, agnatha and gnathostomata. Agnatha, A indicates absence of true jaw. A movable jaw is absent that are belongs into the group Agnatha. And Gnathostomata, true jaw, movable true jaw is present. First, we will see Agnatha. Agnatha, their class is a cyclostomata. Cyclo means circular, stomata means mouth. Those animals which are showing a circular mouth, that is called as, that belongs into the class cyclostomata. Best example is the petromyzons. In the next slide, I will show you a picture of petromyzon. These are also marine animals. Their skin without a scale, as well as their mouth is a circular, suctorial. It acts like a suction pump, sucking the liquid material. And their gills, generally 5 to 6 pair of gills present in a in this animal, petromyzons. Their endoskeleton made by cartilaginous materials. Notochords rudimentary represents rudimentary vertebrae. Then after that, next thing is that their branchial basket present in a pharynx. Their branchial basket present in a pharynx. These are the characteristics of petromyzon. Then next part is that is we can say gnathostomata. Gnathostomata means true jaw present, movable true jaw is present. So in this case, Pisces is there, then superclass Pisces is there. This superclass Pisces having a two groups, chondrichthyes and osteichthyes. Chondrichthyes means cartilaginous fish and osteichthyes means bony fish. Chondrichthyes, cartilaginous fish, means their skin is covered by placoid scale. External opening gill slit is also present. No operculum present in this chondrichthyes fish. Best example is a shark, rays, and skates. Another one, osteichthyes fish. Osteichthyes fish is means a bony fish. Their skin is covered by cycloid scale as well as ctenoid scale is present. Gill slit is covered by a operculum. These are the basic difference between osteichthyes and chondrichthyes. In a chondrichthyes, no operculum is present, but in a osteichthyes, gill slit covered by a operculum. Best example, catfish as well as another lungfish is also there. Then see the another class, superclass tetrapoda is there. In a tetrapoda class means paired limb is present, four limbs is present. Their skin is a cornified and skeleton is a bony. This superclass showing some classes including amphibia, amphibia is there. So amphibia, both breather, aquatic as well as terrestrial. Best example, frog, toad, salamander is there. These are cold-blooded animals. When you see their skin is a soft, glandular, and moist. I repeat again, in amphibia, their skin is a soft, glandular, and moist, and no scale present on their body. No scale present on their body. Then reptilia, another class, reptilia. which are also belongs into the superclass Tetrapoda. Reptilia, these animals adapted for desert life. Their skin opposite to the amphibia class. Their skin is a rough, dry, scaly. I repeat again, their skin is a rough, dry, and scaly, as well as their skin is covered by a scale, scute, and shield. These are the one adaptation to prevent the evaporation of water, as well as no sweat gland present in this animal. No sweat gland present in this animal. This animal is a cold-blooded animal. This animal is a cold-blooded animal. Best example is a lizard, turtle, crocodile. Lizard, turtle, crocodile, snake is also there. These are the simple characteristics of class Reptilia. Another well-known class is Eos. In Eos, all birds belongs into this class warm-blooded. A previous class is a cold-blooded, but Eos is a warm-blooded animal. Skin is covered by the feathers, as well as their forelimbs is a modified into the wings. Forelimb is a modified into the wings. Then next one is the mammals. In a mammals, these are also successful class in animal kingdoms. We are also belongs into this class mammals. So skin is covered by the hair, and their special characteristic is that mammary gland is present. Means females feed young ones through a milk. Female feeds young one through a milk. Ear pinna is also present. Mammals generally warm-blooded animals, as well as these in this animal sweat gland as well as sebaceous gland is also present. Their heart generally a four-chamber heart is also present. The best example is a rabbit, man, dogs, cat, elephants, lions, monkey, buffalo. All such animals belongs into the class mammals. So these are the general outline of chordata. Repeat again. Chordates divided into two division: acraniata, craniata. Acraniata divided into urochordata as well as cephalochordata. Urochordata base example is the Herdmania. Cephalochordata base example is the Amphioxus. Both are marine animals. In a vertebrata, agnatha is there and gnathostomata is there. Agnatha mouth is totally absent, means not true jaw is present. Best example, Petromyzon belongs to the class Cyclostomata. Cyclo means circular, stomata means mouth. Gnathostomata, true jaw, movable jaw is present. They are showing a class Pisces, superclass Pisces. Pisces is divided into two classes. Chondrichthyes means cartilaginous fish, example shark. Then Osteuctis, bony fish, example catfish. Then class Amphibia is there, example frog. Then Reptilia is there, example snakes and lizards. Eos, example sparrow and crow. And next one mammals, example rabbits, man, monkey, cow, cats. So these are the sufficient background or outline of classification of chordata. Next time we will see a different classes which are belongs into the phylum chordata. Thank you so much for listening me patiently.